Alright, welcome back to Legendary Sports Limited. Here we have a box of Panini 2010-2011 black box. A little pricier of a box, that's for sure. It says there's 3 autographs cards per box and 3 memorabilia cards per box. If I could talk, that would help us all out. Gotta get out the screwdriver, of course. And let's get into here. Get rid of this sticker. And to the inner box. Nothing in there. Looks like a little bit of a checklist. And a bag. Here we go. So, 1 pack in that big box. Let's see what we can get in here. I'll make these easy. Alright, first thing to look for is you get a booklet. Is there a booklet? There is not a booklet. There's a very thick card in the center though. Okay. First card is a Connie Williams. Card number 192. We have a dual signed Eric Bledsoe and El Farouk Aminu. That is 51 of 99. Next we have a JJ Redick to 99. ML Carr to 149. We have a Logo Man, Joe Johnson. I like that. A very thick card. 45 of 99. Ooh, and on the back is Dominique Wilkins, passing the torch. Moving on, we got Anton Jameson, dual jersey. These are numbered to 99. Kevin Love, dual jersey to 99. And the last card is David West, base card. Oh, the base cards seem to be to 99 as well. So our big hit here has got to be this dual-sided Logo Man, Dominique Wilkins and Joe Johnson. Alright, as with all of our videos, you can check out everything that you've seen here. We'll be on our website, our eBay store. And it's Legendary Sports Limited. And thanks again for joining us. Let's quick highlight one more time. There it is. Thank you.